Hello YouTube, welcome to Donk Chevy. And today is classic cars of the Hard Ride.
Whoa, girl. Yeah. That's what they go see. What's up, Kelly?
Go straight right there. Yeah, straight.
Good.
Go right there. Go straight.
Beautiful.
Time?
Get all the way up there, kid.
Never mind. Hey. So what's going on? Well, not much. What's going on with you? Oh, I'm just hanging in there yourself. Yeah, everything's cool. Thanks.
And the right line wing. Mini smoke. Beautiful Jibag.
Talking shit. Hey, talking
Clean old
shit.
school.
Big motor, you raggedy kid. Big motor, man.
Oh, on 24 or 26, what do you think? Write in comments.
Yeah. I think he got a reserve somewhere else.
Donk Chevy delivery.
If you run out of gas, I think he got a straight somewhere else. Yeah. Gone, man. We're gonna put this bad boy in the gate and put that bad boy inside. That's it. And maybe done that. She gone. She gone. No swirls. The next contestant
Clean.
is
Big
Caddy.
rims on the hood. Oh, 600 horsepower on red wheels. Oh, beautiful. On 26. Gas station lights.
Man, Mo's Custom done did it again, baby. I got my man, my client, my cousin, man. I got that boy mounted up on them brand new 28s. All new suspension all the way around. New control lines, new tie rods, universal lift kit springs, new shocks, front and the rear. As you see, he ain't want to tuck, but I got that boy sitting just right. 77 or 78 Impala. Of course, I did the music. You already know I did that. You know the trunk slamming. You feel me? I'm finna go ahead and show y'all the inside. Got the digital dash done up. Got that right. Custom cut.
Clean and
7-inch Pioneer touchscreen. Mo's Custom, baby. Get with me. 630-770-2056.
Thank you for watching.
Get with me.
Click like if you like and subscribe. Bye bye.